man. Hello everybody, this is Herman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, how's everybody doing? So this morning, we're going to do unboxing. I have a new item which is, nabili ko siya sa Temo app. This is a smartphone magnetic neck holder. So ito yung parang point of view kung saan pwede mo siyang gamitin sa mga tutorial or something like yung parang procedures like if you love cooking or pwede rin sa mga unboxing videos. So try natin siya kung talagang magandang item ko. Okay, so let's start. So dahil nabuksan ko na sa package, actually dumating lang ito after 3 working days, and it was delivered in my office address. And as you could see, medyo may kabigatan siya. Okay, so let's unbox it. So first thing that you could observe is that makikita mo na kung ano yung tsura niya sa labas, and andito yung way of using it. So as you open the box, you would see agad itong ayan, yung parang neck magnetic niya, and this one parang accessory sa phone para at least yung magasgasan niya tayo sa likod ng phone mo. Ito siya, guys. This is the smartphone magnetic neck mount. So paano ba siyang gamitin? Paano ba? I think we have to push it like this. Medyo mabigat, guys. At saka, metal talaga siya. Talagang makakaasa ka na magtatagal to. Matibay siya. You have to do some pushing kasi medyo kailangan ng lakas. Something like this. Ayan. And once na nailagay mo na sa leeg mo, you just have to put your phone like this. Diba? Ang ganda. Diba? As simple as that. Kailangan mo lang i-secure, i-lock talaga to para hindi mahulog. Ayan. Yeah, maganda siya, guys. Maganda kung kailangan mo ng yung pang video sa below your belt. Ayan. It's good. Like kung mahilig ka magluto, kung paano mo hinihiwa yung mga sibuyas, paano mo hinihiwa yung karne, paano mo minimix yung mga ingredients. So maganda siya. And tignan nga natin kung talagang effective siya. Guys, I love it. So ito na nga, guys. Ginagamit ko na siya, yung smartphone magnetic neck holder. So as you could see, ito yung binigay sa akin ng Discover Group. I would like to express my gratitude for them kasi pinadala sa akin sa company address ko. And pag chine-check mo siya, parang napaka-opulent naman. Pang mayaman talaga yung yung labas. And that's the logo. Pakita natin sa video. Oh my God, ito nga, Route U Deluxe US Canada. So ito yung mga pupuntahan ko doon. This would be my journey, my next trip. Thank you, Discover Group, for picking me up, sending this gift. Thank you so much. So ito na yung mga pwedeng gawin, yung mga itinerary na gagawin namin doon. Because we have I am planning to travel to US and Canada this month. So, ito pinadala nila sa akin as a guide. And we are honored. Your choice to consider us for your travel need is truly an honor. So, nandito lahat. Yung voucher, nandito. And they also provide something to eat here, which is, I think this is a cookie. Embark on new adventure with our heartfelt gratitude. Enjoy this token of appreciation as your journey onward. Safe travel. Okay. So, kakainin ko siguro to later. Ang ganda ng packaging nila, guys. Thank you so much, Discover Group. So, if you want to, if you have plans to travel going to abroad, of course, you may contact them. They have a Facebook page, so you may contact them. Napakamura, guys, ng mga ano to, ng mga travel tour nila. Mas early kayo mag-book, mas mura. So, ito na nga, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. And see you on my next vlog. So, ito na nga, guys. As you could see, I'm still using my smartphone neck holder. So, pinakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin. And, yun nga. Thank you so much for watching. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!
I don't think you're here to stay.